Generally, in corporate mergers, a duty of entire fairness applies to the transaction. However, some transactions are subject to review under a less searching standard. In the case of In Re Pure Resources, the Delaware Court of Chancery considered which standard applied to a tender offer by controlling shareholders for minority shares. Unocal Corporation owned about 65% of Pure Resources Incorporated. The remainder was owned by Pure's management team and other minority shareholders. In 2002, Unocal made a tender offer to buy the remainder of Pure stock. A tender offer is an offer to purchase stock for more than its current rate. Unocal's offer contained three important features. First, a non-waivable majority of the minority provision, which required a majority of the shares not owned by Unocal to be tendered. Second, a waivable condition that the tender give Unocal 90% ownership of Pure. And third, a statement by Unocal that if it obtained 90% ownership, it would consummate a short-form merger. A short-form merger allows a parent corporation owning over 90% of a subsidiary's shares to cash out all remaining shares. Pure formed an independent special committee with financial and legal advisors to consider and negotiate the offer. Although the committee didn't deal as aggressively with Unocal as it would have a third-party bidder, it requested that Unocal raise its price. Unocal refused, and based on the advice of its advisors, the special committee voted not to recommend the offer to minority shareholders. Pure's minority shareholders sued to enjoin the offer. The shareholders alleged that the offer was inadequate and should be subject to the entire fairness standard. Unocal responded that the offer should only be subject to the Solomon standard, which it had met. The Delaware Court of Chancery considered the parties' arguments.